Hi boys and girls, it's day 5 of distance learning. It's Friday, April 3rd. You've almost made it. You almost made it through your first week. I didn't have a picture of a bicycle like you would ride, but I found this little trike bike. But look at all the cool flowers in the grass. And I'm thinking a lot of you are outside, and good for you, because now they say the forecast is supposed to get a little chillier and maybe some rain. So that'll really make things green. So when I'm looking at our calendar, you're going to take the weekly reading test, and maybe some of you already have. So you're going to read the story on how to make cutout cookies, and then you're going to do the 5 questions on the back, and then your parents or your family is going to send me the score, your answers. So read the story twice, and remember, if you need, you can look back. And then you're going to choose anything from your April writing calendar. If you want to pick something of your own, you and your family talk about it, that's okay too. So I'd love to have 4 complete sentences. And I'd love it if you'd send me a picture of, like, if you wrote a story. You know I love to read what you write. So then for math, we're going to complete the daily math packet page. And I looked at it, I glanced at it, and I think it's nothing new there. Please watch a brain pop on solid shapes. Please watch a brain pop on 3-dimensional shapes. Please, would you do that? Now I'm going to show you my desk, and you might think, well, that's kind of messy, Mrs. C. Nope, these are my 3-dimensional shapes. Some of them are from real life, and some of them are just teaching shapes. But I'd love for you to go and try to find like 3 examples of some of the shapes that we're going to be going over. So we're going to learn about the sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Remember, 3-dimensional shapes are something we can hold, toss, and they also take up space. Yep. And the next one is cube. So we have a cube. And then the pyramid. Did I show you cube? I'm sorry. Cube. Just like a dice. 6 sides. And the pyramid. The base is a square. This one. And then we have the cone. That's easy. We all know cone, don't we? From ice cream cone. Sugar cones especially, right? Those are good, aren't they? Cone. And cylinder. When I was looking around for items to show you for my house, I found I have a lot of things cylinder. Maybe it's the canned foods. But of course, good old Clorox wipes. They're in a cylinder too. Yep, they sure are. And then the rectangular prism. So there's the shapes that we're talking about. So there's 6 of them. And I'll put this one to the side. There we go. My Jello box, rectangular prism. My bubbly water, which I love, that comes in a rectangular prism box, doesn't it? Yep. So there we are. But please watch the brain pop on 3-dimensional shapes, and then you could start your paper. I don't think you're going to have any trouble with it. So it's math page 345 and 346. This is Friday, day 5. Front and back, I think you're going to be just fine. And I think you're going to like the cutout cookies. It's kind of like what maybe you make with your family for Christmas, or you go buy. It's like shapes of bells and Christmas Santas and Christmas wreaths. And maybe that'll give you an idea, if you haven't already, to make some cookies. But remember to send me a picture of you having completed the 5 questions on the back. So that's going to be it for day 5 on Friday. I love all the questions that your families have been sending, but I mostly really like today, I like that you were sending me your work. And I actually kind of miss correcting papers. Oh, did you ever think I'd say that? I didn't think so. Me either. I do, and I really miss reading what you write. So I probably won't do a YouTube until Monday. Actually Sunday night, but it'll be for Monday. So if you want to get a jump on it, it should be there on Sunday. So, but keep emailing me, asking me questions, And yep, I'm working on Zoom. Just have to be a little bit more patient. If I just had to Zoom one of you, I could do it. Got it. Bingo. But that wouldn't be fair, would it? No, wouldn't be fair. So I have 20 kids to figure out the Zoom, and I'm getting there. So just be patient, okay? And then you'll soon see your classmates. All right? I just need some time to keep learning. Thank you. I really miss you guys. Stay well. Thank you, families.